So I already have a good looking page in my zApp. Next thing in the functionality is that I want these fields to be pre-populated with the word Capriza. So first of all, I'll update this with br and then saying we've already filled this for you. And actually, I want this to be small text. So next thing I do is go to automate and then say, you know what, when this loads from the starting point only, I want to add a new automation step, and that would mean fill in Capriza for each of the input fields. That's it. Let's go to test to see how this works. So the automations work. Next thing I want to do is strengthen these red buttons here. In order to do this, I'll anchor them to the label of the input they are in. For the best overall startup, I'll choose this. And verify that this will always be the text of the anchor. I'll do just the same, and it's important to choose just the right anchor. Okay, pretty robust. Now I'm going to actually nominate Capriza. So I click on this nomination and get this. I want this to be a new page. Thanks for nominating Capriza. And now what I want to do is also include my own message saying, you've made your dent in the world. Smile. Let's make it in the center and this as well. Give it some margin from the top. Okay, nice page. Header should be green as well. And we're good to go. In a minute, you'll see that I will need to implement this in a different way. When I go back, so now how do I go back to nominate another category? The way to do it in the web is just to reload the page, but I don't have a reload. So what I'm going to do is just grab a random button that'll be robust enough. I'm going to take it into the header and specify an override click. Let's click it. Great. Now I can go back to my first page and nominate the other categories. I need to strengthen this text here, saying all text stays the same. You know what? Maybe there was some sort of error with the name Capriza, so I'm just going to say thanks for nominating, because the website is adding Capriza. And whether this is the last control of 6, I don't know. Going back, I want to do this also for the third category and get to the thanks for nominating. Now what will happen if I try to nominate Capriza again? Then I get the only one nomination a day, please come back tomorrow. This is a different text, so I'm going to grab it and strengthen it. And I also want to add text that says click on back in order to choose a different category. Problem now is that in order to have this comment, I can't have both of these at the same time, because if I get to you only one nomination a day, then I still have the you've made your dent in the world. So that's not good. I need to somehow couple my comment, my own static comment, with the actual web control. So the way I'll do this is by actually deleting this control and overriding the text, saying element text content plus some little piece of HTML. And there I have it. I can do the same trick for this one. And delete the static text. So that now if I test my zApp and try to nominate, I get this plus my own static text. I can go back and try a different category.